Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add Instagram or TikTok style text in CapCut, perfect for viral reels or short videos. Let's get started. First, open the CapCut and create a new project. Then here import your video, then tap text at the bottom. Choose add text, then type your caption or hook. Tap the style and explore the presets like bold, outlined, or shadowed fonts. And for the TikTok look, use a bold fonts like Anton or TikTok Sans and add a black or white background. And also to match Instagram Reels, you can use a clean, modern font with a soft drop shadow or pastel color backgrounds. Then adjust the size, position, and animation for a fun, eye-catching vibes. And that's how you add Instagram and TikTok style text in CapCut. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for more social media editing hacks. Thanks for watching.